Okay, today I want to talk about the original atom, right? Atom, atom, or the original atomic structure or makeup of our reality. Atomic, atomic, right? In science, in chemistry, the three basic particles or fundamental particles that make up the atom are the proton, the neutron, and the electron. The proton and neutron make up the nucleus of the atom, while the electron orbits around and makes up the outer shell. Okay? But the original atom, that was a part of the original creation of God before sin entered into the world, okay? Because sin literally altered the physical structure of God's creation. It didn't just spiritually alter God's creation, but physically as well. The original atom is made up of the proton and the neutron as the nucleus, but instead of the electron making up the outer shell or orbiting around the outer shell, it was something you call the dark photon. What is a dark photon? Okay, a dark photon, okay, a regular photon is the fundamental or basic particle of light. The light that we know now, electromagnetic energy that comes from the sun and gives us light, are made are made up of particles, energetic particles called photons. PHOTONS, photons, right? Light is the flow of photons, okay? So a dark photon is the opposite. It's just as its name sounds. It does not emit, absorb, or reflect any kind of light. A dark photon does not emit, absorb, or reflect any sort of light. It's completely invisible. If you want to take it a step further, you can say dark energy is, oh, I'm sorry, dark photons are the fundamental particle of darkness, in a sense, but not literally. Just to give you a basic understanding, it is the opposite of a photon, which emits electromagnetic light. So there's something that a lot of scientists, they call dark energy, dark matter. Dark energy is the opposite of electromagnetic energy or light. Dark energy is the flow of dark photons, okay? And dark matter is the original state of matter before sin entered into the universe. The matter that our surroundings are made up of now, you can call that electronic matter, because these atoms that we see around us, their outer shell is comprised of electrons, right? Which did not exist in the original state of the universe when God made it. You can say an electron is the electron is not only the fundamental particle of electricity, but you can say in a sense it's the fundamental particle of sinful energy. But I'll talk about that the next time. But the original atom, which scientists call dark matter, right? It is made up of the neutron, the proton at the nucleus, and the dark photon making up the outer shell instead of the electron. And dark energy, which comprises outer space, right? Dark energy is the opposite of electromagnetic energy or light, for it is the flow of dark photons. Okay? So I'll explain more next time.